Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to cleanly split and merge tables in Microsoft Word. This is highly useful when managing large amounts of data or adjusting document layouts. To split a table horizontally, start by placing your cursor anywhere in the row where you want the second table to begin. Navigate up to the Layout tab on the main ribbon. Look for the Merge group and click Split Table. The table will instantly separate into two independent parts. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there is a much faster way. Place your cursor in the target row and simply press Ctrl Shift and Enter at the same time. The table splits immediately. To merge those tables back together, all you need to do is click into the empty paragraph space directly between the two tables and press the Delete key on your keyboard. They will instantly snap back into one unified table. Splitting a table vertically to separate columns requires a slightly different approach. Highlight the specific columns you want to break away. You can then click and drag that selected area to an empty line below the current table, or use the standard cut and paste commands to move those columns exactly where you need them to form a new table. That covers the essentials of managing table layouts in Word. Thanks for watching ClearTask. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward workflow tutorials.